Hey, what's up guys? And if you know, I am just now unbox this gardening in the box package, and now I'm going to take out this two package. Let's just take the first one out. Okay, take it out and let's see. What is this? There's nothing, alright? Next we have some sticks. That's my grandma. And what is this thing? Some red beans. And that's all. And that's all. And now we are going to unbox this. The seed paper making. Let's unbox it. Oh, stop! And I have opened the seed paper making. Let's see what it is. Wow. And I have a love thing. What is this? I don't know what is this. I think it's the seed paper making. Seed paper. I don't know what that means. Comment below. What does this do? Oh, I found the instructions. Let's see. Okay, you see the instructions? Yeah, let me just read it by myself. Love shade mode. Newspapers, unwanted film seeds, and correct recycles, and blah 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 blah, and still you can't. I still don't know what this means, but we are not going to talk about this. And this is basil seed. Comment down below what is basil. I'm saying it right? Am I doing something wrong? Some soy. Bean sprout. Let me see what it is. Bean sprout. Ooh, some mango. And what is this? Wait, what is this? Nothing more? Nope. Just this thing. Let's see, I don't know things and this. Wait, I found something in the Terminator Exploring. Wait, what is this? Comment down below, because I have many questions about this box. Let's see. I don't know. Let's just put it back. Alright. I actually have done everything, and that's watching. See you next time. Bye!